Welcome to our channel. If you want to open a high-yield savings account to maximize your savings growth, follow this simple guide to get started quickly. Step 1. Compare high-yield savings account options from online banks like Ally Bank, Marcus by Goldman Sachs, or Discover Bank. Look for the highest APY with no monthly fees. Step 2. Visit the bank's official website and click on Open Account or Apply Now for their high-yield savings account product. Step 3. Fill out the online application form with your personal details, including full name, social security number, date of birth, email address, and phone number. Step 4. Provide your physical address and verify your identity by uploading a photo of your government-issued ID if requested. Step 5. Link your existing bank account for funding purposes. You'll need your bank's routing number and your account number, which can be found on your checks or online banking. Step 6. Choose your funding method and make your initial deposit. Some accounts have no minimum, while others may require $25 to $100 to open. Step 7. Review the account terms, interest payment schedule, withdrawal limitations, and confirm all information is correct before submitting. Step 8. Complete the application and wait for approval confirmation via email. Most online banks approve accounts within minutes to a few hours. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.